What am I about to do? What am I about to do, really? YouTube, it's your boy Cruising with Drew, and we back with another video. So this morning, man, Dolph has to go to the shop. We gotta get, ain't nothing too bad, but just make sure that y'all stay tuned, man. This little cup up here got me like a little cold, man, so I gotta stay good. Got my name back on here. Shout out to my boy Aaron, man. He got me right. You gotta be stamped right into the city. Oh yeah, man, if y'all ain't already, make sure you comment, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Cause I got a couple vids dropping. Damn car dirty. Don't mind it. I gotta fix that. But yeah. Oh yeah, man. Just in case y'all really haven't really got the complete setup. But make sure y'all stay tuned too, because I got a surprise that's coming real soon. Like real soon. So make sure y'all stay tuned to that. But yeah, other than that, man, about to head to the shop. They open up at 8 o'clock. As you can see now, 7:57. Then after that, I gotta take my butt to work. So yeah, so just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get back to the shop. Yeah, man. About to go get Dolph looked at. Hey man, also, let me cut this down. Also, this is my first time, so I just got a new camera. Hopefully the videos are a lot clearer. I really hope that the videos are a lot clearer on here, man, because my last camera, I mean, the last, let me turn the camera my way. The last videos, they was alright, you know, they was pretty decent. But it's just, it wasn't what I was looking for. So, I had put it on Facebook Market for sale, and some young lady, she purchased it. She's actually a upcoming YouTuber as well. So she grabbed it. So it wasn't nothing wrong with the camera at all. It's just the quality. I just wasn't cool with the quality. I didn't like the quality. But I like my videos like real sharp, 4K. So after I sold it, I went to go purchase the Sony ZV-1F. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use it. I know CJ32s had used it one time. And he was on the video saying that he liked it and that the videos are sharp. So, I mean, we gonna see. We're gonna see when I'm done editing and everything like that. This is probably gonna be like a 2-day video, cause I got more content coming tomorrow. And I'll probably drop this video maybe Monday. I'm not too sure when I'm gonna drop it. Honestly, man, I just feel like I be BSing around. Yeah, don't mind me too, like, I got a cold. So, we'll cut that down. I ain't trying to get copyrighted from that. I just feel like, I don't know, it ain't sharp enough for me, honestly. I hope I ain't been recording the whole time this damn video upside down. Like I said, y'all gotta bear with me with this, man, because this is a new camera and this is weird. Like, I'm still learning to set up. This is my first vlog on this camera. So yeah, we're just gonna see. And like I said, I'll cut you guys back on when I get to the shop to show y'all what's going on to the car. I had to make a quick stop right quick though. So I'm looking for some like an air freshener to put in the car. I don't know, what should I get? It's either Bayside Breeze, new car scent, or either Black Ice. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna go to new car scent. Trying to get it focus. So yeah, these little things used to hit back in the day. I don't know how they do now because I usually make my own like spray because I detail cars. So we definitely gonna see. We gonna see. So. Turn the camera my way, because I know a lot of people shy about being on the camera. Shoot, I ain't gonna lie, I used to be the same way, and shit, I'm still the same way. I'm good at it. No, you're fine. We'll just get this.
That's some Freshener.
Yes, ma'am.
Freshen it up.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Tell us 266.
All right.
What you do, Vaughn?
Yes, ma'am. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, YouTuber?
Yes, ma'am.
What you YouTube?
About cars.
Cars?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, out here in Youngsville.
Yeah, Youngsville, Durham, Raleigh.
I mean, like certain classics or just any kind of car?
Basically like just big rim cars, lower cars, stuff like that. Yes, ma'am.
Big bodies. I need a big body my Mustang.
Have a good one.
Right, you too.
Thank you. So yeah, gang. I love when people ask me like what I do. And I say I'm a YouTuber, like I speak it to existence. You know what I'm saying? You gotta speak it to existence, man. If you don't speak it to existence, you don't believe in yourself, who gonna believe in you? You know what I'm saying? So y'all wanna listen to that slow Rod Wave, man. Rod Wave already sad as it is, and then listening to it slow, boy, you gonna be in this mug crying, I'm telling you. But yeah, so got me some new air fresheners. Let me put this up, and I know I said it like 1,000 times already. I'll cut you guys back on when I get to the shop.
2,000 years later.
I done made it. Discount tires. These are people that's supposed to do work in my car. So, what's up, man? I had a tire ordered for me under Andrew Reed. All right, gang, I gotta show y'all this 350Z also that's sitting out there. I don't know if it's paint or wrap, but that mud nice. Gotta sit this tea, man. I get better. Hopefully it ain't hot. Ooh. Still hot. Still hot. I'm about to let that cool down. Dang, I actually burned my tongue. The dude yesterday said was here. He said he don't see it in the stock. Tell you, man. If it ain't one thing with these shops, it's another. So hopefully it is in stock, man, so we can go ahead and get it put on, mount, balanced. And be about my day. But I also think I gotta get a TPMS sensor on my back right tire. Cause sometimes my sensor will go in, then it'll cut off, then it'll go in, then it'll cut off. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure a lot of people in the store looking at me like, bro, is he talking to himself? No, I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to the gang. It does look weird though, I ain't gonna lie. It looks super duper. Super weird. I used to look at people like, what are they doing? Why are they talking to a camera? But forgot, got the audience on the other side of the camera that they don't know about. So we're gonna see. Like I said, hopefully we can get this done today. Pray we can get it done today because I got stuff to do tomorrow. I think they close tomorrow also. We shall see. We shall see. We shall wait and see. But this is the 350Z. I just gotta get a better. I'm gonna get a better angle of it. I told y'all it was gonna be some bullshit. Now they talking about they don't have the mounting tools to mount the car. When a dude the other day told me they do. I call BS. That's what I call. They ordered the tire. You know what the crazy thing is? I came here the other day. He took the tire off. It was like, yeah, we got the 26 through 30 bracket, you know, for big rims. He was like, he ain't here this weekend. Somebody else can do it. And look, they on bullshit. Excuse my language. But yeah, they on BS. They on BS. So they got me pissed off this morning because I got stuff to do. I gotta go to work. So now I'm just sitting here like, what am I about to do? What am I about to do, really? So, I don't know, man. I'm pissed off now. So now I'm gonna have to spend probably extra money. I'm gonna hit up House of Toys right quick to see how much they charge. See how much they charge to mount and balance 26-inch tire. So I'm gonna have to drive probably like 45 minutes away to try to get a tire balance. I'm pissed.
I'm pissed off. For real, for real. Cause now they talking about they don't got it. I wouldn't have ordered the tire if they didn't have it. That's just me. And if you know you ain't have it, had it from the get-go, you shouldn't have pulled my tire off and whatnot. I call bullshit. I just feel like they don't want to work on the car. Because of car on big wheel. A lot of people don't want to work on big wheel cars. I'm telling you, if it was slammed, I'm stressed, bro. I'm stressed. I woke up this morning and I knew it was gonna be some BS happen today. So yeah, gang, we're gonna figure out something. When the guy come back in, I'll cut y'all guys back on. All right. And so I finally made it here to another tire shop. What the hell my phone is? My bad, y'all. I'm trying to find my phone so I can let y'all know the name of it. It's Tire Guy. I don't know if y'all can. Boom, there you go. That's where I'm at now. I heard a lot of good people that came here. A lot of my homies came here. They ride the big wheels. So I'm gonna give them a chance, see what they talking about. Bruh, like seriously, as soon as I came here, dude was like, what you need done? I told him what I needed done. I pulled over. He was like, I'm about to get you in the bay right now. Got me in the bay. Bruh, look, car jacked up already. On the stand. I'm in here. So far so good, man. But yeah, as soon as they done, gang, I'm gonna cut y'all back on and we can go from there. He got me up and running. They over there bouncing it now. Let's see if I can zoom in. This is probably the zoom in. Yeah, he over there getting me right. He over there getting me right, man. So yo, I ain't gonna lie. This will probably be the place I come and get my stuff done, cause I'm literally in and out probably within 20 minutes max, 20-30 minutes. You got me up and running. Yes, sir. Yep, got me up and running, gang. So make sure y'all come see them for all your tire needs. They gonna get you right. We got Instagram. That's the Instagram right here. Also, they got rims in stock. Y'all need some wheels. We got these. I actually like these. Right here. For a truck, I actually like those. But yeah. Alright gang, I'm gonna cut y'all off. Like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We ain't doing nothing but bringing straight bangers. Peace.